Salazar? Staff nga po ba kayo ni Mama Alice po? Staff?
Ikaw ba yung nakasakay sa SUV natin?
Ikaw ba yung nagpanotaryo, Kat? Yung papel? Kayo po ba yung nagpanotaryo kay Alice po? Ma'am, sinadya niyo po ba maging kamukha si Alice?
Gano'ng katagal na po kayong nagtatrabaho kayo with Alice?
Ma'am, yung buhok yun, yung mapa talaga ng buhok.
Ganyan po ba talaga ang itsura niyo? Or ginaya niyo po si Alice?
Ma'am, yung salamin ninyo, yung buhok ninyo, gaya-gaya kay Alice.
Pati po
Yan ba talaga ang sadyakon yung gabi?
Kat?
Yan po ba talaga?
Sorry, Kat. Anong pakiramdam mo ngayon, Kat, na nandito ka sa NBI?
Handa ka na bang mag-short mo sa NBI?
Kat, anong pakiramdam mo na nandito ka sa NBI? Inaakusahan ka na doppelganger ka raw ni Alice. Anong reaction mo doon, Kat?
Sinasadya ko bang maging body double or kataw na talaga nakamukha mo, kahawig mo, si Mayor Alice Guo, sinasadya mo ba yun?
Ito ang latest update sa kaso kay dating Bamban Tarlac Mayor Alice Guo na di umano'y nauugnay sa illegal na aktibidad sa ating bansa. Pinangalanan na ni Senator Sherwin Gatchalian ang 3 kasabwat umano ni Alice Guo sa kanyang pagtakas. Pero dati na umanong nabanggit ang mga pangalang ito sa mga pagdinig ng Philippine Offshore Gaming Operators o POGO. Nabuking rin kung paano nakapasok sa politika si Alice Guo at naging mayor ng Bamban Tarlac na labis namang ikinagulat sa Senado. Samantala dumating na sa NBI ang di umano'y ka-look-alike na assistant ni Alice Guo na si Catherine Salazar. Matatandaan na nauna nagsinabi ng NBI na isa siyang body double o sinadyang gawin siyang kamukha ni Alice Guo para malito ang mga otoridad sa paghahanap kay Alice Guo. Sa kanyang paglantad ay ito ang kanyang matinding revelasyon. Halina't sabay-sabay nating panuorin at alamin ang videong ito na tiyak na ikakagulat nyo. Ngunit bago tayo magpatuloy, huwag kalimutang i-like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more updates and for more upcoming videos. Maraming salamat!
Kay Ms. Go na makapasok sa larangan ng politika hanggang siya po ay maging mayor. Baka mamaya po ay marami na humpain ang Chinese Communist Party, ang CCP. Dahil po sa ating dispute.
To the former mayor of Bamban, Mayor Feliciano.
Mayor Feliciano? Yes, sir.
Inibitahan yata kayo last hearing, di kayo nakapunta? Is it true?
Yes, Your Honor, Senator Chair. Yeah, there was a previous commitment. The problem was the message came in only that Friday, late afternoon. And the hearing was on a Monday.
It's good that you acceded to the invitation of this committee to appear today.
Yes, sir, no problem, sir.
All right. Gaano ka kakatagal naging mayor ng Bamban?
I was a mayor of Bamban since 2013.
No, when did you start your political career in Bamban?
I ran 2010. I lost. And
that was the first time, 2010?
Yeah, that was the first time.
All right. For mayor right away?
Yes, sir, for mayor.
And then?
And then I got re-elected. I ran again 2013.
You won?
And then I won.
Okay.
And then I won for the next succeeding 2 terms again. So nag-graduate po ako up to 2022.
2022.
Yes,
so you completed your 3 terms.
Yes, Your Honor.
As mayor of Bamban.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Why did you endorse the candidacy of Alice Go for mayor to replace you? Because I gathered information that there was a barangay captain who was supposedly going to run for mayor. And at nag-usap na raw kayo na siya yung next mayor na endorse nyo. And all of a sudden, you endorsed the candidacy of Alice Go. Is that right?
Yes,
there was a barangay captain who wanted
Yes,
to run for mayor, but
Yes,
unfortunately, he did not get your endorsement, and instead, you endorsed the candidacy of Alice Go.
Yes, sir. That's right.
Yes. Why is that so?
To make the long story short, yung barangay captain na yon, he was supposed to be my predecessor.
Yes.
But the problem was...
Predecessor or successor?
Successor pala, sorry. Successor. But the problem was, during my last term, I decided to run for congressman for the 3rd District.
Did you run for congressman?
Yes, I ran for congressman.
Unfortunately, you lost.
Unfortunately, I lost.
Who was your opponent then?
Kong Bong Rivera.
All right, okay.
And then, during the time that I was campaigning, he insisted that I don't run for congressman because I already endorsed Congressman Noel Rivera to him. So, ang nangyari doon, hindi ka pwede tumakbo kasi in-endorse mo na si Congressman Noel, hindi ko siya pwedeng iwanan. So sabi ko, that's not a problem with me. Kahit na ang mayor ko, ikaw, walang problema, dalawa yung congressman mo. But he insisted na hindi pwede, so siniraan nila ako. So on late notice...
No, was that during the campaign period already?
No, prior to that.
Prior to that?
Prior to that.
Wala pang filing ng COC?
Wala pa po. This was after already the pandemic.
Okay.
So when I decided to run for congressman, sabi niya, hindi pwede. Kailangan ako lang ang tatakbo, suportahan mo ko.
Sabi ng barangay captain?
Yes.
Okay.
So on my part, since wala po akong running mate on my town, I decided I had to have a running mate of myself. And considering the fact that Banban is only small,
what is your population in Bamban?
our population is around 80,000 and voting is around 40,000.
By rule of thumb, kalahati?
Yeah.
Okay.
And so after that, I needed somebody on my side. So, ang nangyari doon, me as a former local chief executive, we local chief executive should be economic managers. Small investment, small capital, big dividend. So, in my town, when I took it over...
Okay. Sige. Paano mo nakilala to si Alice Go?
Since she was fig farmer...
Since you was a?
Pig farmer. Meron sila pong pig farm sa Bamban.
Okay.
So on my second term, pumupunta na po siya sa opisina.
Okay.
So she was the one handling the detail.
On your second term, did she express interest that she wanted to enter politics?
No, nothing.
Nothing at all?
Nothing at all.
Wala kang inkling na gusto niyang
Wala.
maging mayor?
Wala po.
So ano talaga siya noon?
She was just an ordinary person that's coming into my office kana kumukuha ng mga permits.
So when did you first meet her?
Siguro 2016.
When she went to your office or when you went to her farm?
No, pumunta po sila sa office.
Sino sila?
Si Mayor Alice and the group of hog farmers po sa Bamban.
Okay, and then what did you talk about?
Yun nga, the problem with the business in the pig industry, since ang Bamban po is mostly an agricultural town, so there were certain things na kailangan i-address, yung foul smell, that's why Bamban is not progressing because of the foul smell in the area. And of course, since we need to increase the income of the town, I was lobbying for them to help us out. So that was the only time na nagkilala po kami, Your Honor.
Okay, sa pagkakaalala ninyo, kailan nag-apply ang Baufulad ng permit sa Bamban?
Baufulad started out for the reclassification of the land for lease rentals po. This was March 8, 2019.
March 8,
Opo.
2019?
Yeah.
You were still the mayor then?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Sino ang nag-facilitate? Sino ang humingi ng pumunta sa opisina mo para kumuha ng permit ng Baufulad?
Si Miss Alice Guo.
Siya mismo?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Itong si Zun Yuan at Hong Sheng Gaming Corporation, kailan po sila nag-apply ng business permit sa'yo?
Ang dinaanan ko lang po dyan was Hong Sheng.
Hong Sheng.
Yes,
Sino
sir.
In behalf of Hong Sheng, sino nagpunta sa'yo?
Sa Hong Sheng po, siya po yung nag-request din sa amin ng...
Si Alice Go.
Siya po.
Sa tingin mo, anong participation niya sa Baufulad tsaka dito sa Hong Sheng Gaming?
She was just an investor in my town. that she bought the land and then she had investors under her arm to put in money in the town para patayo po yung mga buildings for lease rental po ng real estate property.
May idea po ba kayo kung anong klaseng operasyon ang ginagawa niyo sa loob ng Baufo compound sa Bamban-Tarlac?
Ay, wala po.
Kayong nakuupong mayor?
When I was mayor already, but just they got the loan from us. And then,
No, excuse me?
letter of no objection.
Yeah. Who provided that loan?
What do you mean, sir?
Sino nag-issue ng loan?
The Sangguniang Bayan po.
During your time?
During my
so
time.
you approved it?
No, hindi po ako. There was, the Sangguniang Bayan approved the letter of no objection. This
Yes,
is the
but of
resolution.
course, when they approve it, the mayor will also sign.
I didn't sign the document, Your Honor. The document is signed by the SB Secretary and the Vice Mayor.
But you were, as mayor, aware ka dun.
Yeah, I was aware, but I wasn't part of that document. I am part already of the building permits and the other things with regards outside of that reclassification, Your Honor.
You mean to say you did not sign the... Is that an ordinance?
It's a resolution, Your
It's
Honor.
a resolution.
Yes, Your Honor.
The mayor doesn't sign the resolution when approved by the Sangguniang Bayan?
The mayor doesn't sign the resolution, Your Honor. Only the vice mayor.
Well, nung panahon namin, dumadaan sa amin eh. Anyway, nag-issue ka ba ng travel pass kay Wang Ziyang, the incorporator of Baofu?
As I could recall, Your Honor, during the time of the pandemic, if a legitimate business owner comes to my office and asks for a travel permit in order to move out of Banban and coming to Banban because may negosyante sila, yes, probably I did, Your Honor.
You did. Why?
Your Honor, you're a businessman and then they need to travel back and forth to Fontana.
But you didn't check his background?
No, Your Honor.
Why did you not check his background? Nagbibigay ka na lang ba, kahit sino ba mag-apply ng permit sa'yo? Walang due diligence?
Wala na, Your Honor, because during the time it was pandemic already. And you know, wala na pong negosyo sa
katulad
bayan.
nito, big boss pala ng Pogo itong Wang Ziyang.
So it's pag-aaralan na po natin ngayon na dapat sa susunod, kailangan po, bago tayo gumawa ng mga dokumentong ganon, kailangan ma-check na po sila.
Hindi, as mayor, command responsibility mo yan.
Yes.
Mayor din ako.
Yes,
That's
sir.
my command responsibility as mayor.
Yes, sir. But the problem is, sa sobrang dami po nang kumukuha kung lahat po sila, checkan
Well,
po
understand.
natin.
Totoo naman. Totoo naman yung sinasabi mo. But in this case, kita mo, inissuehan mo ng permit. Big boss pala ng Pogo ito. Siyempre, sa'yo babagsak ang problema. Di ba? Sa mayor, babagsak ang problema.
Yes, sir.
Okay, sa yung pagkakalam, ano mga negosyo ni Alice Go?
Ang alam
Sa
ko lang po,
Bamban.
yun lang pong piggery.
Hindi kayo naging business partner
Ay, hindi po.
kahit kailan.
Hindi po. Civil lang po ang relationship
Okay.
namin.
How did you approve to endorse the candidacy of Alice Go? Siya ba lumapit sa'yo? O ikaw nagkusa sa kanya na, ikaw nang sumunod sa akin?
Ay, hindi. Tinanong ko po siya if she's interested to run.
Mm-hmm.
And then after a while, yun nga, because ang criteria ko po nga, for choosing a mayor, dapat economic manager po. Para malaman pong
So, initsapwera mo na talaga yung barangay captain na talagang tubong Bamban-Tarlac.
Wala. Kung makikita niyo po yung video during that time, talagang linalait na po nila ako eh. Parang hindi ako naging mayor eh. So I had to do something para maproteksyonan naman yung interest ko when I ran for congressman. Kaya po,
Maproteksyonan ng interest mo?
no sir, I'm running for congressman. Pag wala ka pong kandidato sa town na sinasakupan mo, wala po kayong
Nung kinausap mo si Alice Go to run for mayor, what did she say right away?
sabi
Did
po
she
niya,
agree right away to run for mayor?
hindi po,
O nagpakipot ng konti?
pag-iisipan daw po niya.
O gano'ng katagal siya nag-isip bago siya pumayag na tumakbong mayor?
30 to 60 days.
1 month to 2 months?
Opo.
Okay. Nung pumayag siya na tumakbong mayor, under your ticket, I presume, ikaw
Independent
ang
po.
dala niyang congressman. Correct?
Independent po.
Okay. Magkano kinontribute ni Alice Go sa campaign kitty mo?
Wala po.
Kinuha mo, sabi mo, businesswoman siya.
Opo.
Posibleng hindi siya nag-donate sa campaign kitty mo.
Ay, wala po. Sarili ko po.
O ikaw nagbigay kay Alice?
Hindi naman po.
Ha?
Hindi po. Negosyante lang po ako.
Sige, anong pagkakaalam mo rito? Kasi I only have 3 minutes to go.
Yes,
Anong
sir.
pagkakaalam mo rito sa Alicel Aqua Farm?
Ay, wala po akong alam dyan.
Wala kang alam?
Wala po akong alam dyan.
Hindi ka na mayor nun?
Hindi na po.
Ha? Nung in-incorporate ito? Hindi ka
Wala
na
na
mayor
po.
nun? Ha?
Wala na po.
Wala ka na, hindi ka na mayor?
Hindi na po yata. Hindi ko pa alam kailan po yung...
Kailan ba itong yung document sa DTI, COMSEC? Kailan ba ito?
Comsec, pakita natin ulit yung DTI. If I remember correctly, SP Pro Temp 2022, August. Pero i-check po natin.
Yeah. Kung August 2022, hindi na nga siya
Wala
mayor.
na. Mayor na po.
Sorry, SP Pro Temp. March 2022.
Oh, mayor ka pa. Mayor ka pa nun kung March.
Sa Suwal po yan eh.
Oo nga pala, I'm sorry. I stand
Your Honor,
corrected.
bambam po tayo.
Hindi, pero wala kang kinalaman.
Wala po.
Ha?
Wala
Hindi mo nakikita si Mayor Kalugay sa Bamban?
I was just able to meet him sa LMP one time.
Sa LMP?
Yes po.
Na magkasama sila ni Mayor Alice?
Ay, hindi po. LMP po yun. Dito po sa Marriott yun eh.
Ha?
Sa Marriott po.
Po siya, naging presidente ako ng LMP. Sa convention ng lahat ng mga presidente.
Opo.
Oh, hindi kayo nagkakasama ni
Hindi
Mayor
po.
Kalugay.
Hindi po.
Pero kilala mo siya personal?
No, civil lang po.
Civil lang?
Opo.
So wala kang alam sa dalawa?
Wala po.
Sigurado ka?
Opo.
Sige. I'm done. I'll just, Madam Chair, thank you very much.
Maraming salamat din, SP Pro Temp.